Hello friends, welcome to Fresh Vitals YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about my company called FV Life Care Private Limited. When you go to the Google and search FV Life Care, you will see a website fvlifecare.com. This website is for the doctors, dietitian and gym trainers. Basically, we have created a platform where a person can get a personalized diet chart within minutes. If you see this form, if you will fill all the details, you will get an email with, which contains a diet chart depending on your health condition. For example, you have high BP, diabetes, liver problem, kidney problem, obesity, or you are going to the gym and you want a professional diet chart, or you are dealing with stress, anxiety or depression, then we also provide a diet chart for this, and a normal diet chart if you want to take a consultation or you just want a guidance, so you will get a normal diet chart. So this website is created for professionals who can do doctor consultation, or they can manage their clients as well. So let me go and tell you about this platform. So basically, as I logged in, and you will see our dashboard over here, you will see there is numerous features, like you will see overview, there is consultation tab. It will show you the bookings, total bookings, whenever a user book an appointment with the doctor or gym professional or a dietitian. So here you will get the consultation or uh, consultation part, and then total patients you have, and here you can manage your profile. So manage your profile contains your personal details, like I filled it over here. Then your professional, how much money you do you want to charge on this platform. See, and images. When you upload images, it will show your uh, profile page, how it looks. It helps you to attract the people on the uh, platform, or they can consult. It's like a Instagram or Facebook like of profile. Like I, let me show you. You will get professionals, like a personal created its uh, profile. You will see its profile. So basically, anyone who is doctor or dietitian, if he created its profile, it will look like this, and a person, anyone, can book a session with them. So basically, when you book a session with our doctor or professional, or uh, doctor professionals create their profile over here, so anyone can book a consultation to them. So let's book an consultation like 11:11. You can also manage the time over here. Let me do it PM. Video call, voice call, text chat, you can choose whatever you will like. And let's say I will say uh, hi, I want a consultation. 1 minute, I just on fitness. So here, whenever you will see, you will send a confirmation email, will go to the whoever its profile for. Like I clicked on the gym professional, so it went to the gym professional. So in consultation part, there is a option will be there to confirm, write prescription, create diet chart, or add a session. So basically, let's try to create a prescription, how a doctor can use it. So information is pre-filled. When a user created a request, So doctor can confirm its chat or create a prescription for it. So let's suppose the patient has 30 years of age, gender male, and symptoms like fever, chills, cough, or sneezing. So doctor can diagnose that the person may have viral infection or common cold. See, so here doctor can also notes what to do or advise the patient what should he can do. So let's suppose I am just creating a hypothetical prescription. I'm not a doctor, I am a registered pharmacist. So I'm just telling how a doctor can perform over there. So use warm water, avoid cold water. Medicine, let's say we can give paracetamol 650 mg. Dose will be one tablet 3 times daily, or you can, for duration it's 5 days after meals. So here doctor can also add Monter LC, one tablet once daily for 5 days. It can be once or twice daily, so it doesn't matter. uh, Monter LC is montelukast and levocetirizine basically. So we can give him after meal uh, at night. See, these two tablets are over there. If a patient have any other like weakness or something, you can also add another medicine like multivitamin or something else. So doctor can also take 5 days, 1 2 3 4 5. So they can also add follow-up date. Now generate and generate the prescription. So as you can see, prescription has been generated. So here there is a prescription. So today is 10/11. Let's see the prescription. So as you can see, the doctor information over there, registration number, company name or clinic name, whatever doctor will mention over its profile, with the patient information like Vikas John I created for myself, age, male, contact information, address. Whenever a user will enter its content information, it will reflect over there. If he doesn't, then NA will come over there. So we filled symptoms like fever, chills, cough, sneezing, common cold, fever diagnosis. So here is its RX paracetamol 650 mg, one tablet 3 times a day daily and for 5 days. Similarly for Monter LC, and advice use warm water and avoid cold water. And at the bottom, consult a medical professional if symptoms persist or worsen. So basically we just created a prescription uh, for a patient. Now a doctor can also save it or download it. It's very easy. And doctor can further do one thing. Let's, here he can chat when to directly to the patient. So there is text or voice consultation is also available over here. It's for doctors, gym professional and dietitian. uh, they all can do work over here. Let's go over there. Here we can say we download the prescription. Now we just want to send it to the, so as we can say there is the prescription. So here we get the prescription. So doctor can directly send it the prescription to the patient. Similarly, dietitian and gym professional also do the same. The process is simple and safe. So its chat or video call, its function is similar like the WhatsApp do. In WhatsApp you can also text or type, but here we decided to give a security that no mobile numbers has been transferred to each other. When the doctors created the prescription, then doctor is can view the customer or patient contact information. Otherwise there is no option to see it. So this is the demo for the fvlifecare.com, where we are creating things for doctors and gym professionals who can do practice in remote areas or other region of India. So thanks for watching it. I hope you like my product. If you want this product or you want to join us, or you like the platform, like you like the website and you want to create for yourself, then you also contact me. I will help you. If you are a dietitian, gym professional, or Ayurvedic doctor or allopathic doctor, I will try my best to at least show this product to you, or also I will help you to create such product like that so you can practice over there and help as much as people in the country, because in healthcare sector we need lots of technology so we can reach out to the patient and the needy ones. Also we can help to the tier 1 tier 2 classes who has big pockets and want a solution right away. So this is Vikas Chauhan from fvlifecare.com signing off. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.